this fake lake, like artificial lake, which is probably for drinking water or something like that. And we slept below the lake. I feel like that's strange. Now we are at this Ruissalo, like the camping area, which is free on the day, but you need to pay on the night. And then there is like the second place where is the RuisRock festival area, which hasn't been like 2 years because you know the COVID-19 coronavirus global pandemic shit. And we eat the sugar peas, num 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 num, and go to check the place out, and the second place after that. Here is a kasvitieteellinen puutarha, so botanical garden, but it will close like in 15 minutes, 5 o'clock. But we will check it out anyway, if we have time, or just outside, if we wanna come back later on. is open like I think 8 to 20 and every day, Monday to Sunday. But the cafe and inside of the like indoor area is 10 to 5, 10 to 17. So yeah, we saw almost all of that, at least on outside.
Stay